She's a very unique offering on the market, a 113-foot tri-deck motor yacht, all aluminum, full displacement, shallow draft for the Bahamas. She is a very, very spacious yacht for her size. She's got a very, very nicely laid out main salon, beautiful. And if you look at little details of this yacht, the quality of the construction is extremely high. So this is the master stateroom, full beam, plenty of space, plenty of lights, nice big windows, plenty of storage, closets, drawers, king-size bed. She has his and hers bathrooms, gorgeous onyx stone package. There are 4 generous guest rooms below, 2 identical queen staterooms and 2 identical twin staterooms. Each has a different stone package in it, and they're all en suite with plenty of space. Wonderful large galley with a little country kitchen setting in the corner. And here we are in the Sky Lounge. Beautiful space, plenty of light, very nicely laid out again, laid out for playing cards, for having afternoon tea, for watching TV, a great multi-purpose room. Forward of the Sky Lounge, we have the bridge, all upgraded electronics. This is bridge deck aft, another wonderful gathering area of the yacht. Lounge furniture here and television. Beautiful space for family and friends. Here we are in the engine room. She's equipped with Caterpillar engines. She's also equipped with quantum zero-speed stabilizers. She has power converter, everything a going around the world yacht would have. This yacht is very special, being a burger. The quality of the construction, and you see it in every little detail. You see it in the engine room, you see it in salon, you see it in the staterooms. The little details, the quality is very, very high. It's a Rolls-Royce of yachts.